Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous videos we have covered so many things about this A9G board and how to use MQTT protocol in the A9G board to connect with MQTT broker, how you can publish the messages on the MQTT broker topic, how you can subscribe to any topic and receive the updates. Okay, also we have covered that how you can flash the AT command firmware in the A9G board. Okay, now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to place a call using A9G board by sending AT command from the AI Thinker serial tool. Okay, so here you can see the A9G board is connected to my system using this USB to serial converter, and I have powered up this A9G board using this blue micro USB cable. Okay, and I have attached the Airtel SIM card on the back side of this A9G board, and using this AI Thinker serial tool I am going to send the AT command to place a call from this A9G board. Okay, so let's see how you can do it. And here I have created a block for you. You can follow the step-by-step guide to place a call from AI Thinker serial tool via this A9G board to any number. Okay, so what you require to perform this, so first of all you require A9G board, AI Thinker serial tool, and the USB to serial adapter. Okay, and this is how you have to connect your USB to serial converter with the A9G board. You can follow this green and orange cable. Okay, so green cable is attached to the first pin of this A9G board, you can see here, and the orange cable is attached to the second pin of A9G board. Okay, and here is the connection between USB to serial converter and the A9G board. You can follow this diagram to connect these two things. Okay, then after, what you have to do, you have to open the AI Thinker serial tool. So here is the AI Thinker serial tool. I'm going to open it, and let me adjust the screen size of it. Okay, now we have opened the AI Thinker serial tool in our system. Now we have to select the appropriate COM port. Okay, so this A9G board is connected serially with my system on the COM5. You can see here we have only one COM port available. Okay, so we are going to select this COM port, and we are going to open the serial communication with the A9G board. Okay, so it is open. Now we have already powered up this A9G board using this micro USB cable, so we can skip this step. And yeah, now we can directly place a call to any number, and for that you have to use this AT command. Okay, here instead of number you have to enter your number which you want to call with the country code. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, and before that let me check the A9G board connectivity with my system. So we are going to send the AT command to A9G board, and it should respond okay, and it has responded okay, so it means that our connectivity with the A9G board is fine. Now I can place a call from this A9G board to any number. So let me type my number here. So okay, I have typed my number, and I'm going to press this button send. So this A9G board will call to my number. You can see calling. Okay, and in a few moments we are going to receive the call. Now if I want to hang up this call, then I can use this ATH command. Okay, I'm doing copy paste here, and then we just have to send it, and it will disconnect the call. Okay, to end the call you can type ATH here, and then you can send it to hang up the call. Okay, so this is how you can use this AI Thinker serial tool with the A9G board to place a call to any number. And if you want to hang up the call, or if you want to end the call, then you can use ATH command to hang up the call. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and you can follow this blog, okay, to make a call from A9G board with the AI Thinker serial tool. Also, I will provide download link of this A9 Thinker serial tool here, so you just have to click here and you can download this AI Thinker serial tool for your use. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Also you can comment on this video, also you can send the mail. So we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video what we are going to do is we are going to send the SMS from A9G board by sending AT command from the AI Thinker serial tool. So instead of this AT command, ATD plus phone number, we are going to send SMS using this AI Thinker serial tool to any number. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.